What's up guys, this is Dwayne Cycles and for today's video meron tayong i-bike check dito na bagong bike from Trinx. Itong bike na to is isang cyclocross bike. Ito nga pala si Trinx Climber 3.2 and ngayon check natin yung mga pyesa na nakakabit sa kanya. Magsimula tayo sa kanyang frame. The frame material is alloy pero hindi pa naka-smooth welding. Available frame size for this model is 50 centimeters. Noticeable frame features is ang dami niyang bolts around the frame to put accessories. The fork is a bladed fork. It is also from Trinx. For the cockpit, the drop bars, the stem, and the bar tape has no brandings. Plain black lang sila. The headset has a Trinx logo on the top cap. The STI shifters are from L2. Yung model is R7. The saddle is from Trinx and yung seat post and seat clamp are also just plain black. For the drivetrain, naka 2x10 setup siya. The FD is also L2R7. The crankset is from Pro Wheel. Yung big ring is 50 teeth and yung small ring naman is 34 teeth. Next is the RD. Same with the FD, L2R7 din siya. Sa kanya namang wheelset, the rims are from Trinx and the tires are from Compass. Size is 700C by 35C. Perfect for a little bit of gravel. The brake sets are both mechanical disc brakes and yung brand is Jack. Nga pala guys, for more content, you can follow me on my Instagram account called Dwayne Hero Session. It is where I post GoPro pictures galing dito sa bago kong GoPro Hero 5 Session camera. You can now also follow me on TikTok at I'm Dwayne Nigel for non-cycling related videos. Okay, so for the price ito ay may SRP na 20,000 pesos. Pero dito sa bike shop ng bayan, meron pa yung discount. So you can get this bike for only 16,500 pesos. Available yan dito sa Bike San Pedro branch. And that is all for this video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to subscribe. And i-click mo na rin yung notification bell button dyan para lagi updated sa tuloy yung mag-upload ako ng mga bagong videos. And ayun lang, hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!